One of the key missions here at Medicine Man Plant Co. is to help people take control of their own health. And in light of current events around the world and just how crazy things are getting, I've assembled a list on Amazon of what I recommend the village healer should have on hand. Different herbal books and equipment for people trying to help people in really bad times. I'll put the link down below or in my profile, both really. And hopefully it'll at least stir some thoughts into your head. So I like to think being a doctor is a useful trade skill, if nothing else. So check it out, Village Healer list on my Amazon store. And I do have to let you know that if you buy anything from that list, I do earn money. The government requires me to let you know that. But check it out, and if you have any questions, ask. All right, later. Stay safe.